Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit. Today I'm making grilled bacon wrapped shrimp with a spicy orange marmalade sriracha sauce along with teriyaki marinated summer squash and zucchini. It's easy and it's delicious, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is get your rice going. After that, you want to preheat your grill to 350 degrees and set it up for direct grilling. I'm going to start by marinating the squash and the zucchini. I've simply cut them in half and now I'm going to drizzle them with teriyaki sauce. Now toss them around and let them marinate while we go make the sauce. And now for the sauce. I'm going to simply combine orange marmalade and sriracha sauce. And depending on how spicy you like it, you might want to add a little more or a little less. Now give it a good mix until everything's well combined and then set aside. Here I have 1 pound of 2125 shrimp that I've peeled in the vein and left the tails on. Now I'm going to wrap each shrimp with a half a piece of bacon. And there is no right or wrong way how to wrap the shrimp, just make sure the bacon is covering the shrimp. And now I'm going to slide a bamboo skewer through each shrimp, securing each end of the bacon. Now continue this process until all the shrimp are wrapped in bacon and skewered. And now I'm going to grill the marinated zucchini and squash for 4 minutes on the first side with the lid closed. After 2 minutes, I'm going to give them a quarter turn just to give them the nice hash marks. After grilling for 4 minutes on the cut side, I'm going to flip them over and grill them 2 minutes on the skin side, and that'll make them tender crisp. If you like your vegetables a little more tender, cook them a couple more minutes. After 6 minutes total, the squash is done. And now I'm going to add the shrimp and grill them for 2 minutes on the first side with the lid closed. After 2 minutes, I'm going to turn the shrimp. And then baste them with the orange marmalade sriracha sauce. And then close the lid and let them grill for 2 more minutes. And now I'm going to turn them one more time. And baste them again with the orange marmalade sriracha sauce. Close the lid and let them cook for 2 more minutes. That's 6 minutes total. You definitely do not want to overcook your shrimp. And there you have it, grilled bacon wrapped shrimp with the orange marmalade sriracha sauce, along with teriyaki marinated squash and zucchini, served over rice. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope you give this a try, and I'll see you soon.